The Cristo de mi Paso in Abernathy at St. Isidore Catholic Church is a remake of a crucifix first installed in Ecuador based on a vision in which a quote-unquote pious person saw Christ on the cross, and the cross itself was moving backward and forward during the earthquakes which happened at the time of the crucifixion. The cross's swinging created a tunnel-like passage between Christ and the cross. The person then heard Jesus saying, "I want that the whole humanity pass through my body and the cross." The story appealed so much to Colombian priest Reverend Luis Dusan that while he was serving at a parish in California, he had the statue rebuilt and took it with him to Fort Worth, Texas when he transferred there in the mid-1980s. Dusan then moved to Abernathy in 1995 and had the statue moved with him. The shrine around the statue was built in 1997, and Dusan said that viewing the cross from either direction of I-27 is a reminder to motorists and parishioners of the sacrifice that Christ made for all of us. He said it reminds us to live the greatest commandment, which is to love one another.